Là lại muối nước xăm thôi nè.
Tao muối phi vậy. Okay guys, I am now with a family in Cambodia Food. We are hunting for fresh crab, the rice field crab. See, I will show you how to find a rice field crabs. Not a sea crabs, but it's a fresh rice field crab from the rice before the rice season. The rainy season is getting a little bit closer. So to have fun today, I'm coming to the countryside to look for a fresh rice field crab, and then to show you how to find it there. My brother is digging the ground, the hole for the crab. The crab love to stay like in a very long one. Look at this. My God, a lot of crabs and rice crabs.
Đây mà ai đây máy đó.
Chứ gì vậy? Chứ gì vậy? Đừng đưa rồi. Đưa đây. See, it's coming. Yeah, get it? See, it's coming, crab coming. See it. Oh, yeah. See, it's not anybody can find the place where the crab stay. See, it used to be like a big hole, big crabs stay there. Says it's just a small hole here. Rice field with a small canal here, and find the crabs here. Very good time. Big crabs, ton of them, grabbing. It's a giant one, the giant crab. Scrolling, finding place to stay. This is what I love the rice fields here. See, there's a lot of fresh grass, fresh wildflowers. See here? I love it. Beautiful. With the wind is coming, with the breeze, very nice here. Yeah, very nice. My God, I love this one. See, look at that. Very nice. Yeah. Even the local people say behind me say it's beautiful, beautiful flower. You don't know what kind of flower, but very nice. See here?
lót đây đi cái này kia đây em kia sao rất tàn kia sao ổn pua như thế làm thua pua hơi đó là đưa dân
ô mình bật cùi thì à lồi ma
cuối đó
see the wild animal here he's running he's running away where is he over there man over there see over there lizard big lizard sợ cá if you don't know if you haven't seen the palm tree I'm gonna show you the palm tree here yeah this is little one yeah see palm tree this is the wild fruit that's little one small one yeah. You can see maybe 2 more weeks it's big enough to eat so this is how you eat it so some is already to eat here big enough here
Is the right here you gonna? Is usually grab.
so in Khmer we say lapet here I don't know what name you have in English but this is a very local fruit here see a lot of them here a lot of them here see they're still young this is a grow by itself nobody grow it but it grow by itself natural fruit wild fruit see a lot is a bunch of them man so like that yes like that bunch of them
còn mua xa khơi khơi kia mua ham biết rồi kia
this is a local pond in the middle of the rice field no water yes there's a little water here
tôm nữa đó thấy đi đi đường tôm đi ấy bạn đi
and tree big one tall one it's a fruit over there you can see
đi ơi
Is if you grab
that's the root of the palm fruit
Is as soon as you rush your fat you.
nó dưng vô liêm người ta đây ngào tới
Muốn chắc tam
liêm cái đam nát con
Đi bán đi. Đi bán đi pha.